In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Ubuntu 20.04 in full resolution and full screen mode inside of a Hyper-V virtual machine. By default, Hyper-V will limit the display size and it cannot be changed using the Hyper-V manager. As you can see, I'll maximize the Ubuntu virtual machine I have running and it will not fill the entire screen in my monitor. You see all the blank space around it. So we'll need to modify a single line in the grub settings Ubuntu that will allow us to use the maximum screen size. So first, we're going to open the terminal window by hitting Control-Alt-T to open the terminal, or you can also get to the terminal by clicking the little squares at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen to show all of your installed applications. You're going to click the All tab down here at the bottom, and in the search bar, just type Terminal. You'll see the terminal icon. Just click that and to open the terminal, same thing as the shortcut. In the terminal window, we'll type the following command to open the grub settings using the nano editor. So type sudo nano space /etc/default/grub. Hit enter. You'll have to enter your password for the administrator, and it'll open the nano text editor. So what we do is we'll move the cursor down to this line that says grub cmd lines Linux default, and we'll need to modify this by typing in the following entry here in this variable. So what we'll do is we'll make a space and we'll type the following entry into this variable, which is going to be video equals Hyper-V underscore FB colon 1920 by 1080. And in this case, those are the dimensions of my screen. Your screen dimensions may differ from my screen dimensions. If so, you can open display settings in Windows and see the dimensions you're currently using and just enter them here in place of where I've entered mine. Once you've made the changes to the file, just press Ctrl-X. It asks you to save, click yes, and then hit enter, and it'll exit the editor. After making those changes, you need to type sudo update -grub and press enter. That will update the file and update all of the settings with Ubuntu. Then you need to type sudo and reboot. This is going to reboot Ubuntu inside the virtual machine, and it's going to take those new dimensions. And as you can see on my screen, once Ubuntu restarts, it's going to make the screen 1920 by 1080. I can move it around, or I can just hit the maximize button and it'll fill the screen. In just a second, Ubuntu will finish loading. I'll be able to log in, and then we'll see that Ubuntu now fills the entire screen. Hopefully this solves the issue you are having. If so, please click the thumbs up button below the video. It will help get this video in front of more people that may also be reaching epic frustration levels because it's simply getting harder to find simple instructions for issues like this. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell notification. I read the comments and will make videos based on the feedback, and you'll also be notified when new videos are released. Thanks in advance, and we'll catch up again later.